3 reasons why paid advertising doesn't work for your e-commerce brand. Let's get right into it. As some of you know, with my brand, Say Less Lifestyle, last year we were able to generate over $250,000 from our online store alone. So with that being said, through my successes and failures, I am providing value to you through this content. So all I ask is for you to subscribe down below, like the video, comment, and share. And always direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent for one-on-one mentorship info. Let's get right into it. Reason number 1 on why your paid ads don't work for your e-commerce brand. Your content is bad. It's just plain out bad. Simple as that. You're not paying attention to other clothing brands that are successful in your niche. What type of content are they posting? How is their website set up? Pay attention to the small details, and I guarantee you will be able to grow. Throughout running ads for the past 3 years with my clothing brand, Say Less Lifestyle, we have completely mastered the marketing strategy for ads to do well. Now, what I mean by your content is bad is it's not high quality, as simple as that gets. And what I mean by high quality is for ads, specifically Instagram boost post or Facebook meta ads, the best ads that get the best results are pictures of merchandise on the ground. Say you have your t-shirt, say you have your hoodie, throw it on the ground, make it look neat, make it look maybe a little creative, throw some money down with it. I'm not sure, whatever you want to do. But pictures of merchandise on the ground, whether it be on a white background, on some concrete, whatever the situation may be, those specifically do the best, especially if there are carousel on Instagram of 3 or more photos showing the high quality merchandise. Maybe get a couple pictures up close, maybe get a couple pictures back, maybe record some Instagram reels. Pay attention to other clothing brands that are successful just like you and implement those strategies, and you're bound to see results. You have to make sure the lighting is on point and the quality is on point when you are taking these simple pictures. They're simple but effective. Now, the specific ads that did the best for us and the ad that we were able to generate over $55K in a month off of back to back is this ad right here of our performance shorts on the ground, like I just explained. Performance shorts, maybe our hoodie on the ground and things of that sort, like these photos that you're seeing right here. And the second reason on why your paid ads don't work for your e-commerce brand, when you're running Instagram boost posts, your cost per website visit is above 30 cents. Now, when you run ads on Instagram boost post, it's going to ask you to create your own audience, or it's going to have an automatic audience that they have for you. You always want to create your own audience. Ads that tend to do well and get the best results, their cost per website visit has to be under 30 cents. What I mean by that is cost per website visit is what it costs you to get somebody to click on your website link from your ad. You got to think, a lot of people scrolling on Instagram, especially if you're a new brand that's just starting to run ads, these people are just now seeing your brand for the first time. Remember, like I say in other videos, if you want to make $10,000 a month, you have to get 12,000 plus visitors to your website. So with that being said, the average clothing brand, for every 1,000 visitors, they get about 10 to 20 orders. So as long as every 1,000 visitors to your website, you're getting around about that, then there's nothing to be discouraged about. Keep on pushing and keep figuring out an ad that works. Now let's get right into the third reason and the final reason on why your paid advertising is not work for your e-commerce brand. Your ads haven't gathered enough info due to bad ad settings. What I mean by that, with the Instagram boost post, is going to ask you to create your own audience. You want to always create your own audience. Now, if you want the specific ad settings that I use for my brand to grow over 50K in a month from online store and Instagram ads, then direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent for them specific ad settings and to join my mentorship program. Now, as far as that goes, what I mean by your ads haven't gathered enough info, your ads haven't gathered enough information about who your target customer is. There's a bunch of people clicking on your page that have just seen your brand for the first time, and Instagram does not know if that's your target consumer. You need to make sure your ad settings are on point. You need to know who your target customer is, you need to know what niche you're in, and those two will help you create your own audience. On Instagram boost posts, it asks you the age, the gender, who are you targeting? They need to know that. That's very important. You need to go in depth on what your brand is, who you're targeting, your niche, and your true purpose with your brand, and that will really help you. You got to think, with my clothing brand Say Less Lifestyle, it took us about a year and a half to see profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. So don't get discouraged, but I guarantee you, if you implement the actions that I explained in this video, you will be better off. And especially if you direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent for one-on-one mentorship info, I can help you grow your brand and get it to the next level. Now, with that being said, yes, I referred a lot to Instagram boost post because Instagram boost post is right now the best best option for you to get the best results and the highest amount of sales. TikTok ads, Google ads aren't the best way due to my experiences with my clothing brand. But Instagram boost posts can definitely get you to the next level as long as you're going about it the right way. Make sure you're not using your personal money. Make sure the business is paying for these ads. If you have to use your personal money, then you probably shouldn't be running ads yet. But paid ads are a great way and potentially the best way to grow your clothing brand at a rapid pace. Stay patient with Instagram ads. And like I said, if you need help, direct message me at Stay Less Trent for more info. Appreciate you tuning in. Subscribe down below. Let's get it.